Today, we're gonna have so much fun. Oh, what's this? Oh no, there's nothing left. What happened, Marshall? You look so worried. I was just standing here, then whoosh, and there was nothing left. Don't worry, we'll find the puzzle pieces again by playing the puzzle game. All right, please help us find the puzzle pieces again. The cute dolphins have been separated into pieces. Please help me put them back together. I want to join too. First is the big blue dolphin head. Where does it go? Oh no! What about here? Perfectly, everyone. Next is the big dolphin headpiece. Oh no! Wonderful! That's correct. Now, let's put the remaining headpiece here. Correct. This spot needs a tail piece. This dark blue one. That's not right. Correct. Now we need another tail for this dolphin. This one. Not right. Let's find another tail. Good job. Let's put it in its place. Now we need to put those pieces into their places. This back piece goes here. Another back piece. And the tail too. Perfect. Look over there! It's another dolphin! That's our reward. We need to place it on the board. Do you know where this dolphin goes, Marshall? Yes, it goes right here. Dolphins are very intelligent animals. They live in groups and always help one another. Mother dolphins stay close to take care of their babies, teaching them how to swim and find food. When they're in danger, the whole group also protects the little dolphins together. We have a bucket of water, and inside, there are lots of fish and shrimp. Look, I have a fishing net. Wonderful, Marshall. Let's go scoop up some fish. Oh, Marshall, scoop it up. Whoa, a redfish. Let's put the fish over here. Let's keep going. I really like it now. Oh, this time it's a shrimp. Let's put it into the basket. A green fish. Let's put it into the basket. I scooped up a starfish. Let's put it here. I think there are still many things we need to scoop up here. What else can we scoop up? Whoa! It's a seashell! Ta-da! We scooped up so many things! Those are our puzzle pieces! Hooray! Do you know, everyone? Starfish are not fish. They're sea animals. A starfish can grow its arm back if it loses one. Seashells live inside hard shells to protect their soft bodies. Fish use gills to breathe underwater and swim very fast with their strong tails. It's another game! That's right! Do you know what we need to do next? Aha! We need to put the pieces in the correct places. Let's do it! Dolphin. Seahorse. Starfish. Crab. Squid. Complete! That was simple and easy. Wait! Something just appeared. That's our reward! Squid and crab, go back to your places. Crabs usually walk sideways instead of straight ahead like many other animals. When they're in danger, they can quickly run to the side to escape. Squids have long, soft bodies and many tentacles in the front. These tentacles help squids catch small fish, shrimp, and other sea creatures for food. Look! On the blue sand, there are so many puzzle pieces lying all messy. First is this puzzle piece. Everyone and I know it's yellow. Correct! You're so smart. We need to put the yellow pieces together in one place. And we're done! It's a seahorse!
Now, let's play with the red pieces. The head goes here. Its body and its legs go here. We need one more piece. Does anyone see the octopus piece anywhere?
There's something in the sand.
Let's dig through the sand.
Oh, it's our puzzle piece.
And now the octopus is complete.
Thank you, Marshall. Oh, no problem.
Now, let's put the green puzzle pieces here. Wonderful!
It's a cute turtle.
Ooh, those are our puzzle pieces.
We need to put them on the board.
Sea turtles have hard shells that help protect their bodies, and they can swim very far in the ocean. A seahorse has a curly tail that helps it hold on to seaweed when it needs to rest. Octopuses have 8 long tentacles and are very intelligent. They can also spray ink to protect themselves when they're in danger. Whoa, everyone! Look! We have so many friends that live under the ocean.
Let's take each friend back to their home.
Correct! First is the pink seahorse. Where's the seahorse?
In this spot.
That's right. Next is the yellow seashell, right next to the seahorse. This is an octopus. Let's put it here. Perfect. Marshall, what are you holding?
Nothing.
Come on, why are you trying to turn your back to me? We need to finish the mission.
You know that. I found a fish with a really long mouth.
Oh,
That's a swordfish.
now let's put it here. The turtle goes next to the swordfish. Let's put it in this spot. Now it's the red crab's turn. Let's put the crab here.
It fits.
Who's next? Do you have any idea, Marshall?
I choose this blue fish.
Oh, that's a dolphin. All right, let's put the dolphin back in its place. Now let's put the starfish here. Another fish. The red squid goes here. We still have these 2 giant friends. Let's put them in their places. The whale and the shark. Perfect. Look over there. The whale and the shark.
Whoa, that's amazing.
Whales are among the largest animals on Earth. Even though they live underwater, whales must come up to the surface to breathe air. Sharks have very sharp teeth and an amazing sense of smell. They can detect prey from very far away. We found all the missing animals, everyone.
I'm really happy.
Now, let's say goodbye.
Goodbye and see you again, everyone.